Okay folks, this is how we're gonna reset the Cisco switch. This is a Cisco Small Business SG 300 10-port switch, and I'm gonna show you how to reset it. So basically what you want to do here is you want to use the paper clip like this, and then you want to insert it into the reset button and press it, and then hold it for 15 seconds almost, and the all lights should start to blink. There we go. And then you can release it, and then it has been factory reset.